Hello, welcome to Tesla video. Today I am going to show you how to drive Tesla using cruise control. So before we start driving, we have some free recommendation. Make sure you clean all the cameras around your car. Secondly, complete some settings in your screen. To complete those, let's go to autopilot, then keep all those settings active. So I'm going to show you here. Also, while you start driving, make sure keep your eyes on the brake and around your car, because you are not using autopilot, you are using cruise control. So Tesla cruise control is pretty good, but still it is not better than autopilot. The car will go according to the road speed limit, and if you set +5, it will drive 5 miles over speed limit. If you set +10, the car will drive 10 miles over per speed limit. You don't want to do this. We don't want to violate speed limit. So we are going to keep the settings 5 miles plus. If the speed limit is 25, the car will drive 30 miles per hour. To use cruise control, you have to use the integrator. You have to turn one click down. You can see here it says max limit. That means the cruise control start working now. You see that my feet is far from the accelerator, so the car is moving. Once you drive, you can increase your speed limit by rolling this scroll button up on the wheel. You can just increase the speed limit, or you can decrease to turn the scroll on the wheel down or up, but the car will monitor speed by its motion. So once the red light is coming, the car never going to stop. You have to stop the car yourself. You have to stop cruise control, because you are not driving autopilot. We are using cruise control. Cruise control only monitor the motion of the car, but they never stop in a red light. This car will stop if there is any other car coming in front of it. So keep in mind, when you drive using cruise control, you have to hold the steering wheel. You can see there is a car in front of this car. The cruise control now controlling the speed, and it is coming down. So it's following the next car. If the next car moves, it will move. If the next car stops, it will stop. So you can see drastically the speed limit came down. Now there is a car in front of, the car will stop itself. It stops completely. You can see here it is now on still drive. That means the cruise control is active, but they are waiting here. The monitoring the other car. The other car is darker. Now the car is moving, Tesla is moving. It doesn't matter how much increase speed limit, it will not go, because car in front. If there is no car in front, it will go faster. If you want to stop this cruise control, you have to turn the integrator up or put your feet on the brake. You see this max limit is gone. I think that was it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in my another video.